Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to enable or disable your SIM card on Samsung S25. Let's begin. Now it can be enabled or disabled in very easy way. All you have to do is go to settings, click the first option called connections, go to your SIM manager, and here you can find the list of all your SIM cards. All you have to do is simply hit the disable button. The phone will ask if you for sure want to disable our SIM1. We do want to, and now it is enabled. And that's all for this video. If you found it helpful, please remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.